Alright, I had to jump over to the desktop version because I don't have a mouse, and without a mouse it's nearly impossible to do on the iPad. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to import vectors. This is the same process you'll use on the AWS. I'm just doing it on the desktop. It should look exactly the same because it's this software. I'm going to go to import vectors. It's the second or third folder, fourth icon, the fourth icon going across the top. And I'm going to import the vectors of my cell phone stand. And what I want to grab them from is, well, if you're on the AWS, you're going to grab them from the Google Drive. I am going to grab them from right over here on my folders. So we'll go to iPad, cell phone stand drawing. And this is what should be importing. We should see the cell phone stand layout just like this. And it's going to cut all this out. Because not in this software, we go to a different software. But real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Save. Then what I want to do is go to this Join Open Vectors. When I click on that, I'm going to see that I have one closed vector. I don't know which one it is, but I have 75 open vectors. So a bunch of little vectors. If I just select a single line here, it's just a single line. I want to join all of these so that they are joined vectors. I'm going to see that I have 7 closed vectors in the end. You might need to adjust this number to like 0.01. You may need to, you don't have to, but if you're not seeing 0 open vectors, adjust that number to something bigger. Join. The next thing I'm going to do is hit close on that. Again, that was right here. I hit close. I'm going to save. Now what I want to do is, this is going to be sort of a step forward, step backward type thing. I'm going to go to group all these. Under Edit Objects, I'm going to go to Group. That makes them all one object basically. Then I'm going to go here to this Align Selected Objects button. This white button. Select that. And I'm going to go to Center. I want to center all of these. And then I'm going to go down here to Close. Just move everything to the center. Hit Close. If I wanted to go full screen with this, I can tap this button right up here. Any of these 3 buttons changes your view, depending on what it is you're looking at. This is just going to, again, sort of maximize it for us. I'm going to go to Save. Then what I want to do is actually ungroup this. If you make the mistake of centering these without grouping them first, I'll show you what happens. Checking this out. So if I select all these and I go to Center, oh, it worked. Sometimes what happens is it takes all these and puts them on top of each other like that, which is a bad thing. This time it actually worked out okay though. Just going to make sure that I have everything set up in here. Still all closed. Good, good, good. Save. We want them ungrouped. We want them here in the center of this project. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the picture that I wanted. So what you might need to do real fast, if you haven't done so already, is upload your picture to Google Drive. I'll make a separate video for that in just a moment. That'll be it for this video. This is just importing your vectors into VCarve.